Rain battered the attic window as Julia fed the ribbon into her grandmother's old typewriter. Each letter she pressed bled a dark, oozing ink that seemed too thick, almost alive. The machine clacked faster, keys moving on their own, spelling out words she never intended. Her fingers stuck to the keys, flesh melting seamlessly into the ribbon. She tried to scream, but the only sound was the steady tap of typing. When the storm cleared, only empty clothes remained. On the page, a story written in flesh, forever bound to ink. The typewriter waited, hungry for its next tale.